Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I decided to do another really quick makeup look for you guys. So I decided to pull out one of my oldest palettes, and this is the BH Cosmetics 120 palette. And this is the second edition. Remember like 6 or 7 years ago when this was like the palette to have? It was either this, the first or second edition. Everybody had a BH Cosmetics 120 palette. I used to love this palette, and then I grew to not like it so much, so I haven't touched this in a long time. So I decided to bring it back out today and see what I could come up with. So I just grabbed a few brushes, and just put it on my face, and this is what happened. So if you'd like to see how I created all of this, keep on watching.